The health of our children forms the foundation for their future well-being and that of the nation. So the Jamaican government is prioritizing both the preventative and curative approaches to pediatric and adolescent health care.
Which is why we address issues around sugary drink in schools, the physical activity program in schools.
To improve and expand curative services, billions of dollars are earmarked for a 10-year strategic plan for the renewal and rebuilding of public health.
We're looking at about 27.2 to 31.2 billion Jamaican dollars to build out our new public health infrastructure over the next 5 years.
The Bustamante Hospital for Children is the only specialist facility of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean. Located on Arthur Wint Drive in Kingston, this hospital delivers diagnostic, curative, preventative, rehabilitative, and ambulatory services for patients from birth to 12 years old. The hospital has already been benefiting from service and infrastructure upgrades over the years, but in July 2021, a new master plan was unveiled to further its modernization.
The upgrades include the addition of pediatric cardiac ward, a parent overnight suite, medical ward, and we will also be adding diagnostic services block, the operating theater suite, accident and emergency building, and a specialist outpatient block. These developments are in keeping with our 10-year strategic plan for health and a recognition of the importance of addressing the needs of the full spectrum of age cohorts within the society.
Over the next 2 years, the National Housing Trust, National Health Fund, and the Southeast Regional Health Authority will partner to construct a 5-story building to house the hospital's new parents' overnight suite and wards.
While it is our mandate to deliver houses to our contributors, we are also committed to community development by improving important infrastructure that will contribute to the well-being of our contributors as well as the wider Jamaican society.
$120 million will be spent on Phase 1 of the project, which includes construction of the overnight suite. This will provide a space for parents to be close to their children receiving medical care. The 3 upper-level wards will be completed in Phase 2. Children attending the hospital will get to experience an environment that is aesthetically pleasing and therapeutic in nature.
The project was designed to enhance customer experience through the use of artwork and modernistic architectural concept. And from my part, I'm going to put on the makeup, which is the greenery surrounding it. I personally think we're also going to add some birds and animals to create home away from home kind of a look.
The hospital's development will also be enhanced by planning improvements to the roadway along Arthur Wint Drive. This will be widened to create 4 lanes with proper signalization and a possible overhead bridge with direct entry into the hospital. In the meantime, progress is taking shape as a new pharmacy was opened at the hospital in June 2021. It was constructed at a cost of $70 million, courtesy of the National Health Fund. This new state-of-the-art pharmacy offers a spacious environment to serve its approximately 8,000 clients monthly. It is equipped with increased dispensing windows and a sterile room to protect the integrity of the prescription drugs. So with all this, staff, parents, and their children in a near future will be able to enjoy healthcare delivery and healing in a more convenient, safe, and caring environment.